Hello students, now we will read lesson 12 Tourism of Geography class 9th Maharashtra board. So let's start. Can you tell, dear students, image imagine that you have to go on a vacation with your family. Make a list of 15 favorite places in Maharashtra. After the list is prepared, put your places in the relevant classification. Places near the sea, historical places, national parks and sanctuaries, hill stations, religious places. Select one place from each group which you would like to visit. Discuss the reasons of your choice in the class. Geographical explanation. We undertake short or long journeys for various purposes like festivals, family functions, fairs, sports, wanderings, recreation, etc. We need to carry out some preparations before going anywhere, such as selecting the route to go there, choosing the means of transportation, packing essential things like things, etc. When we reach the destination, we visit the exquisite and spectacular sites. Sometimes we stay there. We make use of the facilities provided over there. We also pay in lieu of those services or goods. Visiting various places away from our homes for getting joy, entertainment, trading, staying, etc. is called tourism. Use your brain power. Planning of a trip. A trip has to be organized from your home to your favorite tourist destination. Find out the route with the help of various websites. Decide the journey route you will take. Consider factors like duration of the trip, materials required for the travel, means of transport, availability of the route, etc. Get the estimated travel cost per person. Observe figure 12.1 and answer the following questions. Use an atlas for reference. Out of these, which places do you know? Make a list. For what are the selected places famous? Make a list of religious and historical sites from the map. Make a list of hill stations, places having sanctuaries and places along the coasts. Correlate the physiography and tourist places in India. Make friends with maps. India important tourist places. Figure 12.1 major tourist places of India. Kanyakumari, Rameshwaram, Thiruvananthapuram, Pariyar, Madurai, Tiruchirappalli, Udagan, Udagamandalam, Karavati, Kavarati, Puducherry, Chennai, Mysore, Bangalore, Tirupati, Panji, Vijayapura, Mahabaleshwar, Pune, Mumbai, Ellora, Ajanta, Chandrapur, Hyderabad, Melghant, Nagpur, Vishakhapatnam, Konark, Jagannath Puri, Raipur, Chandrapur, Melghat, Nagpur, Ajanta, Surat, Somnath, Dwarka, Ahmedabad, Ujjain, Bhopal, Jabalpur, Sanchi, Khajuraho, Ranchi, Kolkata, Agartala, Aizawl, Imphal, Kohima, Itanagar, Kaziranga, Guwahati, Shillong, Gangtok, Darjeeling, Patna, Gaya, Ranchi, Kolkata already done. Then Varanasi, Allahabad, Jhansi, Agra, Mathura, Delhi, Bharatpur, Jaipur, Ajmer, Jaisalmer, Jodhpur, Nainital, Mussoorie, Chandigarh, Shimla, Amritsar, Jammu Tawi, Srinagar, Leh. Now, geographical explanation. The places given on the map have become famous due to different reasons. Some special things are the reason behind the place becoming famous. For example, natural beauty, pleasant weather, exquisite scenery, hot springs, sea coasts, historical monuments, religious places, forest areas, etc. are major attractions for tourists. Processions. This is the picture. Sanctuary. A deer is standing on a sanctuary. On the basis of political boundaries, tourism can be of two types: domestic tourism and international or foreign tourism. Domestic tourism. Tourism within the limits of a country is called domestic tourism. For example, a person from Maharashtra going to Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu for tourism, a person from Nagpur visiting Ellora caves in Aurangabad, etc. are the examples. International or foreign tourism. Crossing countries' boundaries and visiting some other country for tourism is called international tourism. For example, an Indian going to Switzerland for tourism, an American coming to India for tourism, etc. Do you know, to go to a foreign country, one needs a passport, visa, a travel insurance, and other documents. We should have currency of the country where we are going. For this, we need to exchange our currency value with that country. Wandering in the wild. These people are going in the jungle. Sea tourism. These people are going to the sea using this boat. On the basis of the aim of tourism and specialities of the destination, there can be different type of tourism. Some of these have been explained through photographs. From the above, we infer that tourism is very important for a country. Basic facilities should be developed at places where we have which have to be developed as tourist sites mainly. Domestic tourism should be promoted. It is necessary to preserve the cultural heritage of a country. These are the photographs which we have seen. Processions, sanctuary, wandering in the wild, sea tourism. This is health tourism. People are doing yoga. They may have come from some other places. Adventure sports. See, people are playing on the ice. Life below the sea. See, these people are doing scuba diving in the sea. Do you know GPS for tourism? The GPS system in our smartphones or the GPS instrument is largely used for tourism. For that, we need special applications like Google Map. We can know our exact location with the help of the map. Once it is decided where we want to head, then information regarding all the possible routes of travel, distances, time required according to the type of vehicle, amenities on the way like petrol pump, restaurants, lodges, etc. become available in the app. We can use this for tourism. Use your brain power. Some issues related to tourism development are given below. Rewrite the inappropriate ones after correcting them. The income of a country should be substantially high for development of tourism. Domestic tourism should be given a boost. Tourists from other countries should be banned. Tourist, Tourists should be assured of a safe journey. The cultural heritage of a country should be preserved. We should respect other countries' culture. Government subsidies, subsidies and incentives should be given for tourism businesses. Participation in international sports should be increased. Tourism should be encouraged through advertisements. It is necessary to preserve the tourist places. We should preserve the buildings of famous people who have contributed in various sectors as memorials. Services and amenities should be developed for tourism. Tourist agencies should be banned. There is no ample scope in this field. Tourism is a type of invisible trade. All types of facilities should be developed for tourists. The country's economy does not benefit at all from tourism. The hidden potential of other sites should also be developed. The forts and castles should be developed. Geographical explanation. Tourism is an important tertiary occupation. Though this occupation, the world gets introduced to a region's natural, social, cultural environment. Besides domestic tourists, foreign tourists also visit various places of interest and therefore foreign currency. Besides domestic tourists, foreign tourists also visit various places of interest and therefore foreign currency increases in our economy. Along with these benefits, development of tourist places, availability of employment opportunities to local people are also other good things that happen to a place. Considering the importance of tourism, the local residents become aware of conserving the region's natural beauty and culture. Tourism should be promoted through advertisements in various media which will help in its growth. Can you tell which new forms of tourism have developed recently? Tell the reasons why new forms of tourism emerge. Geographical explanation. Various forms of tourism are emerging to give a flip of tourism. One of these is ecotourism. This concept comes This concept came into light when it was realized that due to increasing population, pollution and urbanization, environment is degrading. It is an eco-friendly type of tourism. If tourism is developed by considering that while touring a place, the environment should not be degraded or damaged by tourists, then it is called ecotourism. This includes taking precautions of not throwing litter at tourist sites, avoiding noise pollution, not hurting trees and birds and animals in the forests. Besides these, recently the concept of agrotourism has arisen, which is a pollution free location away from the city, holding an agricultural activity where the tourist is shown a glimpse of agricultural life. Tourists are attracted towards it. This is called agrotourism. For a change from the urban life, tourists live on the farm and accept the hospitality of the farmers on payment in agrotourism. In Pune and Kolhapur districts of Maharashtra, number of agro-tourism centers have been developed. Before moving further, let's read the leftover here. Do you know Maharashtra Tourism Development Corporation (MTDC) has implemented many programs. It has provided guest houses, water sports, tourist houses near coastal areas, etc. Deccan Odyssey is a train started specially for tourism. This train is operated in coordination with MTDC, Indian Railways and Ministry Tourism. The train originates at Mumbai and takes tourist places like Nasik, Ellora, Ajanta, Kolhapur, Goa and Ratnagiri and back to Mumbai. This train is like a moving palace. Another type of similar train is called place palace on wheels. This train takes the Delhi, Jaipur, Udaipur, Bharatpur, Agra, Delhi route. Many domestic and foreign tourists enjoy traveling in these trains. The Indian Railways have started a new train with coaches having transparent ceiling, Vista Dome, as a special attraction for tourism. It turns on the Visakhapatnam Kirandul route. The passengers can see the panoramic view of the nature-rich region of Araku Valley, Anantagiri Ghat section and Bora Caves by sitting in a completely air-conditioned coach having glass roof. Now move further. Film tourism is a new type of tourism. The locations where films are shot attract a crowd of tourists and hence the concept of film tourism emerged. A number of amenities and facilities are provided to attract tourists to these places where film shooting takes place. Example Mumbai Film City, Ramoji City, etc. Tarkarli in Konkan is famous for its seabed and the biodiversity found there. Here, the tourists can do snorkeling and scuba diving. MTDC has started a scuba diving training center of international standards at Tarkarli, Tal Malwan district, Sindhudurg. Importance of tourism development in India. India is diverse in terms of culture and nature. Tourism has lot of potential here. The richness of natural beauty in India, attractive landscapes, high mountains like the Himalayas, exquisite coastal areas attracts tourists. Also, the diversity of Indian culture, festivals, traditions, customs, variety of dishes made using Indian spices, and hospitality of the Indians has resulted in opportunities of tourism in India. Always remember, make sure you know the timings of the high tides and low tides when you visit a seaside. You do not go near sea coast, hilltops, jungles, unknown caves, etc. without a local guide. Avoid clicking selfies at sea cliffs, hill edges, or with wild animals. Avoid the temptation to swim in the sea or go into the deep waters. Keep the tourist places clean. Take care of, take care of not hurting the animals and birds at the tourist places. Following the instructions written on the boards placed at the tourist places. Tourism and economic development. Tourism development helps the Indian economy in a great way. Restaurants, shops, transportation systems, recreational places, etc. develop because of tourism and directly contribute to the economy. Also, basic infrastructure improves and employment is generated, which is advantageous to the economy indirectly. Tourism plays an important role in economic development. Therefore, it is said that tourism is an invisible trade. Tourism and environmental development. Tourism is good for environmental development. To develop natural locations, sanctuaries, national parks, etc., economic investment is made by the government for the sake of tourism industry. Because of eco-friendly tourism concept, tourist places can be developed while caring for the environment. Factors like housing, resorts, traffic routes, etc., are also designed in an eco friendly manner. In this type of development process, electricity, water are used very judiciously. The concept of recycle and reuse is also applied. Natural environment is maintained and tourism is developed too. Tourism and health. Some tourists visit India to avail health facilities. Visiting mental peace and physical strength through Indian Ayurveda, yoga, pranayam, etc. is the objective behind it. The medicinal and surgical treatment in Indian hospitals are cost effective and therefore many patients from various developing countries come here for treatment. Medical tourism develops from the facilities required by these tourists. Tourism and social development. Some specific social programs can be accomplished through tourism. Each facets like rural lifestyle, tribal life, and culture are included in tourism. Tourism gets a social dimension and the components the neglected components of the society can be included in development. The tribal life in Melghat of Maharashtra and visit to model villages like Anandvan, project of the social activist Baba Amte, Raleganj Siddhi, Hivre Bazar, etc. creates social consciousness and gives a flip to development there. There is a great potential for the development of such a type of tourism in India. In future, tourism will be an important factor in the Indian economy. Think about it. We saw the various types of tourism. Just think, can we go into the space for tourism? What will we have to do for that? Where can we go? Present your ideas in the form of pictures or photographs, etc. So, this is the end of chapter. Thank you.